I just want to go through the rest of the way with my 3/8 inch hole here. I don't think I went far enough. I think I was scared to go right into the table. Now, in the event that I find that I can't get the, because of the bridge work that I'm going to be putting on, that it's binding, I can always put my Forstner back on and just go a little bit deeper here. But I'm hoping it's going to be okay. But if it isn't, no big deal, I can fix it. Clearly I've made a mistake on this one. There's just no way I can get these gears the right spacing and not have them jam up on this piece right here and here. I don't know, I guess I miscalculated. I don't know what I was thinking at the time. It looked like it was going to be okay. I guess I was forgetting about the fact that these parts right here were so thick. I was probably envisioning from this point to this point was enough distance. Obviously it isn't. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm not all upset about it. It's only going to set me back a day or two and just sort of makes life interesting. But I think what I'll do is I'll cut this and I'll put in an insert, spread this out, and I don't know, maybe cutting them on the table saw is not a good idea. I could grab and kick, being as if there's the two pieces still fastened together and I don't want to take this apart, so I think I'll use my bandsaw. It'll be a lot safer. Yeah, always something making life interesting, eh? But I'm not upset about it. It's just the way it goes. Well, let's get at it. Get these cut. Get the insert in. Probably use biscuits to hold it together. Haven't used my biscuit jointer for over a year. Well, let's look at the bright side. If I cut this just right, I should be able to get rid of these holes. Then all I have to do is cut the insert just a little bit longer. Now I don't want to take these screws out, although I'm pretty sure it would hold together. I don't want to risk it breaking apart on me. And these screws will hold it out from the fence, and it won't be even. So I'm going to put a little stick in behind here, and that'll keep it parallel to the fence. And I think this should work out okay. Yeah, it won't grab quite as bad as the table saw would have. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go right down the center of each line. Now you're going to notice here when I cut this piece off, I'm going to have a bit of a knot here that I'm going to have to contend with. But I think the biscuit jointer should be able to handle it okay. But it's going to have to handle it okay tomorrow.